Unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, also called drones, have revolutionized how we interact with the world around us. These kinds of machines have rapidly gained popularity in various sectors from filmography and photography to surveillance. Even the drones are used for research and delivery purposes. Besides, it captures breathtaking aerial views and collects data from unidentified locations too. With advancing technology, drones have become more affordable and accessible in the modern era. DJI Inspire 3. DJI Inspire 3 is currently one of the top drones available in the market. Besides, if you are looking for the ultimate drone for aerial photography and cinematography, the DJI Inspire 3 is the suitable one for you. The Transmission X928K captures stunning footage with 14+ stops of high dynamic range. It has a DL mount with custom-made lenses. And it is built with carbon fiber, which makes it perfect for high maneuverability. It can last 3.3 to 6 hours with an external battery. You can enjoy the moment with a 161 GB field of view in 1920 by 1080 at 60 frames per second resolution with the FPV camera. Specification: camera, 8K 75 FPS. Flight range, 7,000 meters. Speed, horizontally 94 kilometers per hour. Video resolution, 4K 25 frames per second. Price, $16,499. Autel Evo Max 4T. Autel Evo Max 4T is designed for powerful performance and advanced autonomy. The autonomy engine provides a parallel engine with the best photo in low light and rain. Besides, it can detect any object because of a thermal sensor. It has a long flight time, which makes it a reliable option. The device has 160x zoom capabilities over a range of 12.4 miles, which gives you insane details. Specification: camera, 50 megapixel wide camera and 48 megapixel zoom camera. Special feature, IP43 weather rating. Price, $8,999. DJI Mavic 3 Classic. DJI Mavic 3 Classic is a special kind of drone which has a Hasselblad camera and flight capabilities. This drone is built to deliver exceptional photography and videography experiences. This drone can capture high-quality images with excellent accuracy and contrast. With an additional feature with Hasselblad, the drone can deliver 5.1K high-definition video and 4K 60 frames per second in no time. It can give you the best experiences and provide exceptional values and performances. Specification: camera, 20 megapixels. Flight time, 46 minutes. Video resolution, 1080p 60 frames per second. Price, $1,749. DJI Mini 3. DJI Mini 3 is one of a kind of drone which is super easy to carry and provides crystal clear videos and photos at the same time. With its impressive design, this drone can take the aerial view to the next level in no time. Its horizontal speed is 16 meters per second, which allows it to cover a vast area in a short time. Besides, you can fly in various weather conditions. There is a special feature called Quick Shot, which allows you to capture unique shots, including rocket, circle, helix, and boomerang. It has 2 rechargeable battery options which can be charged by a USB port or another charger. Specification: camera, 48 megapixel CMOS sensor. Flight range, 4 kilometers. Resolution, 4K 30 frames per second. Price, $469.